Folks, here's some thoughts on this week's discussion, week 2 of our course. Now, we basically continued the project we started in week 1 of trying to establish where business continuity falls or is situated in relation to what we might call enterprise risk management. Now, enterprise risk management is a broader category than operational risk management. Operational risk management concerns risk to operations, things that can stop a company from functioning, fire, server crash, things like that. But there are other risks as well, financial, reputation, things like that. And that wider category is called enterprise risk management. As you know, one of the things I'm doing is trying to come up with a model, a consistent vocabulary for the business continuity field to use. And I've picked up more this week that will be helpful in doing that. Now, just to emphasize here, this model is simply an attempt to define terms. It's not an attempt to restructure anyone's job or things like that. And I think when I present this model, I think there's going to be a lot of concern that this will cause people's jobs to disappear or their job becomes subsumed under someone else. But it's just a way of defining terms. And what I've discovered this week, what you've taught me this week, is that there's basically 4 different models of business continuity versus risk management, how the two fit together. Model 1, the one that I favor, is that risk management is an umbrella term or umbrella field and business continuity is a subfield within it. There is the opposite version, that business continuity is the broader field and risk management's a subfield. And you do that by making business continuity include mitigation, response, recovery, and then you limit risk management to just the mitigation part. So then risk management becomes a subfield within business continuity. And then there's the model of side-by-side, that they're sort of separate but equal, distinct. And that actually comes in at least 2 flavors as far as I can tell. One that puts risk management on the side of insurable risks, looks at insurable risks, while business continuity thus looks at uninsurable risks. Another model separates them by the type of risk that they look at, but separates them by steps in a process. The risk management covers mitigation, the first step in the process, whereas business continuity covers response and perhaps recovery as well. So we've now got 4 different models as far as I can tell. So I'm going to defend one of those, but now I know that I have to respond to the other 3. And that's what's beneficial about these kinds of discussions. Now I know what I need to respond to and what the field or what are the different versions floating around the field. So it's been a big help for me. And I look forward to continuing discussions. Discussions have been great. Thank you.